Hey there everyone, it's Craig, your Mad Hatter Barber here. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Acer 2-in-1 Acer Spin 2-in-1 laptop. Okay, so it's a 11.6 inch screen. So here it is. Let's crack her open. So my trusty ceramic blade. If you're a child, get a parent to open this up for you. There. There. Doesn't come out. Maybe this sticker has something to do with it. Alright. There we go. Can't edit that out either because this is done raw. There we go. Says here it comes with Windows 10, just there. There it is. They don't make these easy to get open. Trolling me. Wow. I don't think they want anyone to get into the box. This has got to be the worst computer box I've ever opened. There we go. Pretty well packed. Okay. Here's your power cord, part of it. Put that over there. Here's the other half of it. Australian power cord. I'm sure if you're in another country with this, it'll have your adapter as well. So easy plug in, all together. There you go. Plug that bit into your computer, into your power outlet. As per usual, your manuals, even a little guide there. Windows 10s, learn more, setting up, first things first. Connect it to the internet. Anyway, I won't be setting up today, this is just an unboxing. There's your setup guide as well. And your Acer warranty. All in plastic. Okay, here it is here. This is the easiest part of the unboxing. There's a nice little, comes in a little sleeve. Fabric, soft fabric sleeve. Just get it over there. Alright, here it is. Bring this a little closer. Open it up. There we go. Little screen protector fabric. And just some more user stuff. And there it is. The Acer Spin 2-in-1 laptop. So it's Intel high definition graphics, 4GB RAM. It's got a 4.5 star review on it. In Australia, it's $399 from JB Hi-Fi. So the key features are, it's also touchscreen. It's Intel Celeron N4000 dual core processor, 1.1 GHz to 2.6 GHz, 4MB cache. Intel high definition graphics, 4GB RAM, 6GB eMMC storage, Wi-Fi, up to 10 hours battery life, Bluetooth 4.0 webcam, 2x USB 3.0 port and 1x USB 2.0 port and a 1x HDMI, and it's installed with Windows 10 Home. Okay, there is, remember it's a 2-in-1, so it's touchscreen and you can do this. Okay. There we go. It's nice and light. There it is closed. I'd say it's about, one end's probably about 1 centimeter and then the other end's about 1.2, 1.3 centimeters. Okay. So let's say 10 mils, 13 mils. Okay, millimeters, sorry. There we go. Says HDMI just there. Up the top here it says spin 1, ultra slim, 360 degree, and 10 hours battery as well. There's the keypad. They feel good to press down. That feels nice and smooth. The mouse mover. There's no movement in the structure when you're pressing down the keys. I think it feels very well made. I can tell you a little bit more about it if you like. So if you need more storage, you'll have to get yourself a portable storage. As I said, it's only got 64 gigabytes, and it is operating Windows 10 Home. Comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and there's one of the reviews there. Actually, you can't see that. Look. So it's pretty high. It gets a overall 4.4, say 4.5 stars. Performance 4.5, quality 4.5, value 5, design 4.5, display 4.5. Okay, that's the review on it. Anyway, there we go. There's my little 15 minutes of input on this Acer Spin 1 2-in-1 laptop, 11.6 inch screen. There we go. As this is not for me, it's for my daughter. I will not be turning it on, as I'm going to give her the privilege of turning her own laptop on, but she's given me the privilege to let me unbox it for you guys. Okay, as this is my first computer unboxing. There we go. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy my whatever it's to be take on this computer unboxing, just like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get more, see more of my videos straight away. If not, no worries at all. Anyway, take it easy. This is Craig, your unboxing Mad Hatter Barber. See you later.